Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G200, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here on the search pool type the Green Apple Keyboard. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app, here click enable in settings, and near the Green Apple Keyboard tap once on the switcher, and here tap to OK, again OK. Now just go back and tap to the switch input methods and switch your keyboard to the English United States keyboard, and that's finished. And now we'll check, for example, we'll go here to this, and as can you see, we got here the keyboard, and that's also close to the iPhone, to the iOS one, as all the emojis, as can you see. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.